Hi there. Just a quick demo on how to connect your Odoo with MyOp via the API. So once you've downloaded the application, you'll see that you'll need to fill in the client ID and secret as well as a redirect URL. This redirect URL is the same as your company database URL at the very top, except for you're going to have to add from this point onward. So if you select that, just add /myop /OAuth /callback. The scope should stay ultimately the same as it is here. And then you will, once you fill that in, you'll click on connect. Now, where do you get this client ID and secret? Well, you're going to have to sign up for a developer account. And then once you click on developer, you will then be able to register the app. Once you've filled in I'll just quickly show you. Once you've registered the app name, redirect URL, which should be exactly this URL over here. Once you've done that and registered it, it should give you a API ID or key and a secret. Once you've got those two filled in, you'll click on connect to MyUp. I would suggest that once it opens up, just log out. Make sure that you're logged out of MyUp. Then come back in here. Just say again, connect to MyUp, and then fill in your credentials, your username, your password. It might be that there's a two-factor authentication that needs to be authorized. But once you've done that, you will then be able to select from a drop-down list the company that you want to connect to. In my case, I selected Nimtech Sol. It will return this company file GUID, as well as when this will expire. So typically it lasts about 15 minutes. Um, and then it will give you access token and a refresh token. It will also know exactly what is the API connection over here. So all of that will be filled in for you. Um, and then it will, whenever you need to send data into MyOp, the token will just be refreshed automatically. But yeah, so that's that. If you had more than one company connected to your profile, they might be listed here, but just select the one that you want to connect to. Another thing that you can typically specify in this configurational setting section is, uh, if you want to synchronize master file data, and if you want to import, export, or import and export them. Typically, because MyUp is your accounting system, you will mostly import from MyUp because you might be invoicing from Odoo. You will send these invoices to MyUp. So you can just specify what you want to do over there. And yeah, you can do that with all of your master file data, your accounts, your taxes, your contacts, your products, and so forth. So there's a bunch of things in here as well, like what's the last time it exported or imported particular transactions or master data. And like I said, you can decide if you want to import or export certain things. You can see in my case, I did not enable sales orders, and that will lead us to the next section, our dashboard. So in our next section, I'll quickly talk about our dashboard and how you can very easily synchronize everything just with the press of one button. So let's just click on dashboard again with that synchronize now button, um, and it will export and import everything quite nicely there for you with just the press of one button. What you will see over here when we export to MyOp, it is saying that sales orders are disabled. So whenever we disable something in the settings, that will come through like that as well. Same over here, sales orders and quotes are disabled. They are not synchronized. Um, and so the next section will focus on this dashboard specifically. Okay, bye.